strategy altogether, because at the end of the day it's about explaining Islam, right? And explaining Islam, especially Islam in the context of a modern secular society, will take a lot of time to explain to people how we adjust in terms of our belief system.
The end result of all these efforts is the creation of a Muslim community which continues to adopt a moderate approach to religion. It's a vital ingredient for any successful strategy in the fight against radicalism.
Moderate Muslims would have to somehow win the middle ground and to render themselves mainstream. The moderate to be the dominant voice, the mainstream voice. It is society that has to deny these violent, radical, sectarian groups the basis of their support, and that support may come through financial support, moral support. It is society that has to say no. It's because governments cannot do this.
Keeping the Muslim community on the moderate path is also the strategy taken by many other Muslim groups in Singapore, such as Simply Islam, which deals with public education, including the Muslim youth.
When we try to spread the peaceful message of Islam and the beauty of Islam in our educational system that we have been developing, we saw that the problems of extremism was a serious problem that we needed to address among our students as well.
Simply Islam is now actively involved in spreading the correct message of Islam, particularly the Muslim youths, along with other Muslim groups within and outside Singapore. It has been working very closely with the London-based moderate Muslim group, Radical Middle Way, and an Indonesian organization, Arus Damai, to conduct various programs that deal with contemporary issues affecting Muslims.
When we work with the Radical Middle Way London, they shared with us a lot of their knowledge about this program of de-radicalization, and at the same time our experience in Indonesia was a unique experience in that we had to start from scratch in developing programs for the people of Indonesia, and our target was mainly the youth.
The experience of the RRG and Simply Islam has revealed that the battle to counter radical ideology will be a long-run effort, and it will take quite a while before the problem can be completely eradicated. In the meantime, Muslims, particularly the young and the most vulnerable, need to be won over so that the present and future generations of Muslims will remain as important contributing members of society, committed to safeguarding the society's sacred pillars against the threat of extremist ideologies.